Janome.
Hi, welcome to the Janome Studio. I'm Anne Hein, Embroidery Software Specialist for Janome America, and I want to introduce you to our new MemoryCraft 1000. This is a compact sewing and embroidery machine. The embroidery unit is tucked here on the back. It's a 22-pound machine, and on your sewing side, it has 300 stitches, a 7mm stitch width, and it can stitch up to 860 stitches per minute. On your embroidery side, there's 241 designs included, plus you can use the USB port to bring in more designs, and it stitches at 660 stitches per minute. Let me show you what else comes with our machine. We have a nice cover. Over here we have our instruction book, and then in your instruction book there is a QR code that you can go to right here and download the embroidery editor software so you can edit your embroidery designs. You have your foot pedal and power cord, the 5x5 square hoop, a little stitch chart that shows you a picture of all the stitches that are in the machine, a straight stitch plate, and then quite a few accessories over here. Let me show you what accessories are with the machine. You get a nice stylus to use on the screen of your machine, a pack of needles, 2 large spool caps and 2 small spool caps, an additional thread stand, your embroidery bobbin case, and then for our feet, we have an overedge foot here, a zipper foot, a F foot for sewing decorative stitches, stitch in the ditch, an edge foot, and also your P foot for embroidery and a 1/4 inch foot. The A foot is already on your machine, a nice pair of snips, screwdriver, a little brush for cleaning, a seam ripper, and of course some cleaning liquid for your machine, bobbins, and your buttonhole foot. Let me show you a few more things on the MemoryCraft 1000. On the top here, we have our presser foot pressure. We can open our side door so we can see when we're threading. Coming down here, we have our superior needle threader. Across here, we have our thread tension, a locking stitch, a needle up, needle down, our scissor button, our speed control for both our start-stop button and our foot control, reverse, and here is our start-stop. Under here, with the presser foot lifter, you can lift the presser foot extra high to get those thick items underneath your foot. The MemoryCraft 1000 has wonderful onboard storage. In the front here, for all your pieces. Underneath here, you can store your stitch plate. We have free arm sewing, and you can easily pop off your stitch plate when you want to change it or put it back. Just like that, close up your machine, and you're ready to sew. The LCD screen on the MemoryCraft 1000 is easy to navigate. Machine opens with the utility stitches, and you can choose your utility, your decorative, or your lettering. And then right here, you can change the stitch width and stitch length. When you're ready to go to embroidery, you select the 2 machines down here. You're going to click OK, open your embroidery arm, pick your design, and you're ready to go. Once you're done, you're going to close your embroidery arm and switch back to sewing. To schedule a test drive with the MemoryCraft 1000 and learn about current promotions, visit your local Janome dealer today. Happy sewing!